How to add a payment method on Temu. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. First, you have to select any of the item to purchase. So I'm gonna select this one ring. Select the details of the product, then click on Buy Now. Once you're in the checkout page, provide your shipping address and shipping method. Then scrolling down, here you will find the section of payment methods. From here, you can easily add a payment method on Temu. Go ahead and select the option that is suitable for you. Apple Pay, Card, PayPal, Afterpay. You can use any of these options. Now provide your payment details, card number, expiration date and CVV. After you fill this, you can head back. If you have coupon code, you can click over here. Then type in the coupon code to apply it. Then you can check all the details and click on Submit Order. Likewise, you can also use another option to add a payment method on Temu. For that, head back, navigate to the U page. Once you land to the U page, click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Now, click on the option of your payment methods. You will be directed to this kind of page. Now, click on the option of add a debit or credit card. Now you have to fill this and click on add your card. With that, your payment method will be updated on Temu. So this is how you can easily add a payment method on Temu. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.